Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 31st of January. And first of all, national news. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan to perform in Riyadh for first time. A.R. Rahman slated next. HMPV detected in 4-year-old boy from Ahmedabad, 8th case in Gujarat. Justice will prevail, enforces co-founder Chris Gopal Krishnan on case against him and others. Civic services go on WhatsApp in Andhra Pradesh, a first in country. 44 news stations by 2026 Delhi Metro Phase 4. National capital to get 44 news stations by 2026. And now international news. FBI picked Kash Patel to be grilled over promise to persecute Trump's foes. No survivors in US plane helicopter crash, 28 bodies recovered from river. Trump signed orders on race related courses, transgender policies in schools. UK women made chilling discovery under floorboards of 250-year-old home. Dream of the desert, Saudi Arabia's first luxury train unveiled. Bangladesh Yunus met George Soros, son after Trump frees foreign aid. Now, news related to sports. India to face England in 4th T20 International in Pune. Kidambi Shrikant advanced to round 2 of Thailand Masters. Gukesh extended lead at Tata Steel Chess 2025 with win over Vamadam. Tamil Nadu Dragons Surma Hockey Club storm into Hill semi-finals. Our news related to business. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman all set to present Union budget for financial year 2025 to 26. SEBI bars influencers from using live or recent stock market data in educational content. Digital payments rose 11.1% year over year in September 2024, RBI data. 16th Finance Commission Chairman Panagaria highlighted Tripura's sound economy and improved financial health. And that's all in news. Thank you.